Good day everyone, especially to our instructor, Mom Bratney. And our topic for this presentation is scripting techniques. And in this presentation's agenda involves introduction, role of a scripting language, create and execute a script, scripting significant influence on programming, and the summary.
Introduction. Scripting refers to the process of writing and executing scripts, which are sets of instruction or command that automates tasks or perform specific functions. These scripts are typically interpreted or executed by a scripting language. So, certainly, scripting involves creating and running scripts, which are essential sequences of instruction or command. These scripts are designed to automate tasks or carry out specific function. Unlike compiled languages, scripts are often interpreted or executed directly by a scripting language, which means they are read and executed line by line rather than being compiled into machine code beforehand. This flexibility makes scripting languages well suited for tasks like automation, where a series of steps need to performed in a specific order.
A scripting language is a programming language specifically designed for scripting tasks. It provides a simplified syntax and a high-level abstraction layer, making it easier to write and execute scripts compared to lower-level programming languages. Scripting languages are typically interpreted, meaning they are executed line by line without the need for compilation. Examples for scripting languages are Python and JavaScript. The role of a scripting language is to facilitate automation, quick prototyping, and rapid development of applications or scripts.
Key roles and benefits of scripting languages include
Automation. Scripting languages allow users to automate repetitive tasks such as F, i.e. processing, data manipulation, or system administration. By writing scripts, these tasks can be performed more efficiently and consistently, saving time and effort. Rapid prototyping. Scripting languages provide a flexible and quick way to prototype ideas or test concepts. They enable users to quickly write and execute code to validate functionality and get immediate feedback, which helps in the development and refinement of software or application. Glue language. Scripting languages often serve as glue languages, meaning they can integrate or connect different system components or libraries together. They provide a simply syntax and interoperability features that enable seamless integration and communication between diverse technologies.
Customization and extension. Scripting languages are commonly used to customize or extend the functionality of existing software or application by writing scripts. User can modify or add features to meet specific requirements without modifying the core code base. Simplified syntax. Scripting languages generally have a simpler and more expressive syntax compared to lower programming languages. This makes scripting languages are more accessible to beginners and non-programmers, allowing them to accomplish tasks without extensive programming knowledge. So, ang simplified syntax daw refers to a streamlined and writing code straightforward to a way of commands it's easier to understand and use. Kini daw ang dali ra masabtan og pinaksayon gamiton sa paghimo og code. Portability. Scripting languages are often designed to be platform independent, allowing scripts to be executed different operating systems or environments without modification. This portability helps in the deployment and execution of script across various systems. So ang portability daw kuno ang usa ka portable nga aplikasyon nga gidisenyo aron makatagan og maayong pag-andam sa laing-laing mga sistema, operatibo o konfigurasyon sa hardware.
Overall, the role of scripting languages is to provide a flexible and efficient environment for writing and executing script, enabling automation, prototyping, integration, customization, and extension of a software or application.
Create and execute a script.
Choose a scripting language. Choose a scripting language that best suits your requirements. Some popular scripting languages include Bash, Python, PowerShell, and JavaScript. Before daw ka magbuhat sa imong script, dapat magpili sa imo language nga gamiton. Bash ba, Python ba, PowerShell ba, JavaScript ba, or etc. Next, write your script. Open a text editor and write your script using the syntax and rules of the chosen scripting language. Depending on your requirements, you may need to import libraries, define variables, and write conditional statements and loops. After nimo magpili sa imo language nga gamiton, imo rin sa isuwat dapat nakafollow kasi mga syntax and rules. Save your script with a file extension that corresponded to the scripting language of use. For example, if you write your script in a Python, save it as a py file. Kung unsa nga language mo gigamit, dito ra sad ka mag-save sa iya corresponding nga file.
Make your script executable. On your Netflix system, you need to make your script executable before you can run it. To do so, use the chmod command in the terminal. For example, if your script is named myscript.py, then you can make it executable using the command chmod plus times myscript.py. Execute your script. To execute your script, navigate to the directory where the script is located using the terminal and enter the command to run the script. For example, to execute a Python script named myscript.py, use the command python myscript.py.
Debug and troubleshoot. If your script encounters or does not produce the expected result, you may need to debug and troubleshoot the code. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors or bugs in the source code of any software. Troubleshooting is more procedural as the entire process typically revolves around specific workflow protocols that can keep the issue from being fixed as soon as it's found. Debugging by definition is meant to find and fix the problem all in one shot, but the reality could be different. It's important to note that the specific steps for creating and executing a script may vary depending on the scripting language and environment used. Some environments like the Windows PowerShell or Unix PowerShell may have specific rules and syntax for scripting.
Scripting significant influence on programming.
Rapid development. Scripting languages allow for rapid development due to their high-level syntax and dynamic nature. They often have built-in functions and libraries that simplify common tasks, making it easier and faster to write code. This focus on speed and ease of development has influenced programming languages to adapt similar features and libraries to accelerate development time. Prototyping and proof of concept. Scripting languages are commonly used for prototyping and proof of concept development. They provide a quick and efficient way to test out ideas and demonstrate functionality before committing to more complex and time-consuming programming languages. The ability to rapidly iterate and experiment with different approaches has influenced programming paradigms like agile development and iterative development. Automation and task integration. Scripting languages enable to customize and extension of existing software and systems. They provide flexible and lightweight way to modify and extend functionality without the need for recompiling and modifying the source code. This influence has led to development of frameworks and libraries, languages that allows for easy customization and extensions.
So next is interactivity and user experience. Scripting languages like JavaScript have played a significant role in enhancing interactivity and user experience in web development. The ability to dynamically manipulate web pages and respond to user actions has greatly influenced the development of user interfaces and user experience design. This influence has prompted programming language to incorporate similar features for building interactive applications. So, scripting languages can be highly beneficial to your project as they add several new features to application and web pages. For example, ang JavaScript na primarily ginagamit sa mga web browsers para maka-create of dynamic and interactive experience para sa mga users. And lastly is data processing and analysis. Scripting languages have influenced programming by providing powerful tools and libraries for data processing and analysis. Many scripting languages have dedicated libraries for handling data, performing statistical calculations, and generating visualizations. This influence has led to the development of data-centric programming language and frameworks that focus on data analysis and machine learning. So, ang data processing and analysis is ang transformation sa raw data into a meaningful insight or meaningful data using analytical tools and techniques.
Overall, scripting has influenced programming by emphasizing rapid development, automation, customization, and interactivity. It has pushed programming languages to adopt similar features in libraries to enhance development speed, efficiency, and user experience. The influence of scripting can be seen in various programming paradigms, framework, and libraries that prioritize these aspects.